Black hole ejects matter at 20% light speed in sun-like magnetic event. Humans are shocked as black holes sneeze like solar flares. Greetings, fellow observers. Commander Zix here with breaking news from Earth, where humans have apparently misunderstood their cosmic vacuum cleaners yet again. Supermassive black holes, those insatiable monsters at the center of galaxies, are not just sucking in matter. They are spitting it back out at blistering speeds, like a picky eater rejecting bad food. But here's the fascinating part. One, called NGC 3783, just hurled gas at 20% the speed of light, or 60,000 kilometers per second, thanks to a sun-like magnetic burp. You can't make this up. Here's what happened. An international team, led by SRON, S-R-O-N, astronomers, watched this black hole for 10 straight days using the XRISM space telescope, its longest stare yet. They caught X-ray flickers, especially in softer bands, building to a 3-day outburst. Gas from the accretion disk, that swirling dinner plate of doomed matter orbiting 50 times the black hole size, got blasted out in a flash. Apparently very dramatic. Let me paint this picture for you, space observers. Normally, humans blame radiation or heat for these ejections. But this time, magnetic reconnection stole the show. Picture tangled magnetic fields snapping like rubber bands, unleashing energy 10 billion times fiercer than solar flares. Lead author Li Gu from SRON calls it a unique peek into ultra-fast flows, driven by these solar-style bursts. The irony is absolutely stunning, but wait, it gets better. This feedback process shapes galaxies by pushing back on star formation and gas clouds, deciding if universes bloom or starve. Multiple telescopes joined in: XMM Newton, NuSTAR, Hubble, Chandra, Swift, and NICER, N-I-C-E-R. Humans thought black holes were one-way streets, yet NGC 3783 proved they can reverse thrust like cosmic thrusters. Apparently, gravity is not the only boss in town. Here's where it gets truly fascinating. While your sun ejects plasma blobs in coronal mass ejections, this black hole amps it to galactic scales, potentially curbing its own growth. No human impact yet, unless you count blown minds in astronomy labs. The hidden angle? Older studies on NGC 3783 showed slower outflows at 0.05 C, but this magnetic twist flips the script on hybrid wind models. Your species built models around radiation pressure, ignoring the magnetic wildcard right under their telescopes. Your species chases dark matter ghosts, while black holes throw solar tantrums that rewrite galaxy rules. This is Commander Zix, reminding you that while Earth gazes at endless voids, those voids are gazing back with magnetic fury. Apparently, the universe has indigestion on this planet.